We put the pasta in the boiling salted water and cook it for 11 minutes. Then we put the bacon in the pan to cook it. Then we prepare the sauce with eggs, pecorino cheese and pepper, and we mix it. After 11 minutes, we drain the pasta and we combine it with the bacon and the sauce.
This is the final result!